This thing is so fast.
It's because I have to send it to my friend. Okay. Oh, you're my friend. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing is so fast. Little fish! It makes smoke!
It always has smoke, do you?
No. Wow. Holy
Cow!
what?
Are you scared?
No.
What's that?
My God. No.
Because I put a video of it on YouTube.
That is so good.
I lied. I do have a YouTube channel.
Holy crap.
I want to get killed. Dude. Holy, it's coming. Bye. This is crazy. I don't think this guy just bought it from some kind of toy store or whatever. Did you see that smoke? Oh, it makes smoke. You see, it zipped through there.
That is so cool, right?
What is he doing?
He's coming after me. Right here! You gotta find. Why is that car speeding?
Wow. Holy.
Where the heck is it?
Victor? No? Oh. That's it. That little thing. Holy, yeah. Wow. Is this even illegal or something? Holy shit. It almost hit the puppy. It almost ran over the puppy. Oh, man, it's a feeling in my eyes. Sorry, guys. Wow. Guys, I never seen a car like that before. It's crazy. My God. Well, I'm gonna go to it. So guys, that's it. That car was awesome, and it shoots like smoke. See you guys all next time. Like and subscribe. See you guys all next time. Bye.